Now I'm in Nanning International Convention and Exhibition Center, where China ASEAN Exposition is held annually since 2004. This year marks the 30th anniversary of the establishment of dialogue relations between China and ASEAN.
南宁这边是中国东盟博览会的永久举办地，我生长在这个地方，我们这边有很多这种东南亚的水果进来，我们接触到这种东南亚水果更加方便。
我们进口商，包括消费者给我们反馈的品质问题，我们会经过东盟博览会这个平台去跟他交流的时候，更加的细化，更直观的告诉他，现在榴莲需要什么品质，你要做到什么程度，我们消费者更加的认可它。
2018年的时候，我们参加了东博会举办的一个圆桌对话会，在会上呢，我们就建立起了与柬埔寨的这个跨境的合作。那么在今年，我们也成功的将首批柬埔寨树花芒果成功引进到中国。
我们也会做更多的工作吧，大家都可以通过云上东博会的平台参加日常举办的各种国际会议，参加我们日常举办的各种投资推介会、项目对接会等等啊，因为这些活动呢，现在已经延长到全年来举办了。
China ASEAN Exposition is keeping developing innovations after 17 times success. One of the innovation is the platform launched last year called China ASEAN Expo Online, which was designed for coping with the challenges of COVID-19 pandemic and promoting the cooperation of digital economy between China and ASEAN. 4 platforms have been set up, including the online display platform, the online conference and a negotiation platform, the live streaming sales platform, and the cross-border e-commerce service platform. Through the online platforms, exhibitors could showcase their products during the whole year.